Introducing Songclip, the new music format built for quick communication and expression.
The real life, is this just fantasy?
Songclip lets digital platforms make music part of what's being created, shared, and sent, offering a turnkey solution for integrating social music. Licensing music is complicated. Music labels own the song's recording,
Darling, just kiss me slow.
and publishers own its lyrics and composition. Songclip secures all rights and sync licensing, making it the music industry solution for offering compliant social music. The Songclip API manages, measures, and monetizes music across paying API partners, giving them access to a powerful, curated, and meta-tagged database that's supported by Songclip's patented technology with intelligent search
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello?
for discovering the perfect song clip by emotion, mood, greeting, and more.
It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday.
The Songclip API, powering social music everywhere.